The Mercedes-AMG G63 isn't merely assembled, it is meticulously fabricated, piece by individual piece, forged from an unwavering vision. This isn't just about building an SUV, it's about crafting an icon, a testament to what is possible when ambition meets unparalleled precision. Today, we peel back the layers of its creation, not just to understand its complexity, but to grasp how this process mirrors our own potential to fabricate a life of distinction. Every rivet, every stitch, every horsepower is a choice, a commitment. Imagine applying this same dedication to your own aspirations. How would your personal masterpiece take shape? Let's uncover the secrets of its making, and perhaps unlock our own. Every G63 begins not on an assembly line, but in the meticulous blueprints of engineering genius. This initial design phase isn't just about drawing lines, it's about envisioning potential, meticulously defining every curve, every structural integrity point, every material choice. For us, aspiring to craft our own G63 fabric means laying down our personal blueprints with equal precision. It's about setting clear intentions, understanding the core components of our goals, and committing to an unwavering standard from the very start. Imagine the sheer audacity of creating something so complex from a mere concept. That's the power we all possess, to translate abstract ideas into tangible reality, setting the foundation for future triumph. The journey from concept to reality is underpinned by staggering numerical commitments. Consider the scale. An average luxury vehicle program can involve upwards of 1.5 million engineering hours, meticulously distributed across design, simulations, and prototyping. This isn't just a cost, it's an investment in a vision, a testament to the pursuit of perfection. This depth of commitment, reflected in every G63, teaches us that monumental achievements require monumental preparation. What kind of investment, in time and effort, are you willing to make in your own grand designs? Your vision's success hinges on such dedicated commitment. The G63's formidable presence starts with its foundation, an expertly selected array of high-strength steels and advanced alloys. These aren't just raw materials, they are chosen for their specific properties, their ability to withstand immense stress, resist corrosion, and contribute to both safety and performance. This rigorous material selection process teaches a powerful lesson: the strength of your creation is only as good as the components you choose. In building your own G63 fabric, are you selecting materials, habits, knowledge, relationships that truly fortify your structure? Choose wisely, for these choices dictate your ultimate resilience and capability. The fabrication of a G63 exemplifies a critical balance, the raw efficiency of advanced automation fused with the irreplaceable touch of human craftsmanship. Robotic arms perform welds with millimeter precision, completing tasks tirelessly. Yet, intricate elements like interior stitching or specific engine calibrations demand the seasoned eye and skilled hands of master artisans. This isn't a battle between man and machine, but a powerful synergy. We learn that while efficiency drives progress, the human element, intuition, experience, artistry, elevates it to true mastery. Where in your life can you blend systematic efficiency with the invaluable touch of your unique human skill? Walking through the G63 assembly line is witnessing a choreographed ballet of efficiency and purpose. Each station, from chassis construction to final inspection, operates in perfect synchronization, minimizing waste and maximizing output. This isn't chaos, it's controlled, optimized flow. It's a testament to meticulous planning and continuous improvement. Imagine applying this level of systematic coordination to your own projects. By breaking down complex goals into precise, sequential steps, and executing each with focused intent, you can transform daunting tasks into achievable milestones. Your personal fabrication process gains momentum with every synchronized step forward. At the core of every AMG G63 beats a handcrafted engine, a masterpiece of power and engineering. This is where the one man, one engine's philosophy truly shines. A single, highly skilled technician is responsible for assembling each engine from start to finish, signing off on their creation with a personal plaque. This deeply personal commitment instills an unparalleled sense of ownership and accountability. It highlights that true excellence often comes from focused, individual dedication. What engine are you building in your life? How much personal commitment are you investing to ensure it performs at its absolute peak? Your signature is on your work. The AMG G63 engine, a 4.0-litre biturbo V8, is a marvel of modern engineering, boasting staggering figures that translate directly into exhilarating performance. Its 585 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque propel this robust SUV from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. These aren't just numbers, they represent the culmination of years of research, countless simulations, and meticulous tuning. It's a clear demonstration that focused power, precisely applied, can overcome significant challenges, even moving a substantial vehicle with incredible agility. What untapped horsepower do you possess within yourself? How can you refine and apply your unique strengths to accelerate your own progress? The G63's iconic, boxy silhouette isn't just about aesthetics, it's a testament to structural integrity, achieved through thousands of precisely executed welds and joining processes. Robotic welders apply immense heat with pinpoint accuracy, creating seamless, robust connections. Complementing this, laser welding and adhesive bonding techniques create additional layers of strength and rigidity. These unbreakable bonds are fundamental to the vehicle's legendary durability and safety. In our own lives, the strength of our character and the resilience of our aspirations are built upon the integrity of our commitments. What bonds are you forging to ensure your personal structure stands the test of time? Beyond color, the G63's paint process is a multi-layered shield against the elements and a statement of lasting quality. It involves meticulous cleaning, anti-corrosion treatments, multiple primer coats, and several layers of base and clear coat, each baked to perfection. This isn't just about looking good, it's about enduring hostile environments and maintaining its pristine condition for decades. This extensive process ensures durability and a flawless finish, much like our own efforts to build character and resilience. What layers of protection and refinement are you adding to your personal fabric to ensure it withstands challenges and maintains its luster over time? Step inside the G63, and you enter a realm where luxury is not just seen but deeply felt. The interior fabrication is where human touch reigns supreme, from hand-stitched leather to meticulously aligned trim pieces. Every material, every texture, every ergonomic detail is chosen and placed to create an immersive, sensory experience. This attention to minute detail transforms a cabin into a sanctuary. It reminds us that true quality isn't just about grand gestures but about the thoughtful execution of every small element. What details are you crafting in your own life that elevate the everyday into something extraordinary and deeply satisfying? The interior of the G63 exemplifies a commitment to comfort and luxury backed by impressive figures. The exquisite Napa leather upholstery alone can require over 10 square meters of premium hides per vehicle, meticulously cut and stitched. It takes dozens of hours of skilled labor to achieve the flawless finish on dashboards, door panels, and seats. These statistics reveal that true luxury is not coincidental, it is the product of immense material investment and dedicated human effort. How much material and labor are you pouring into the quality of your personal environment and the experiences you create for yourself and others? Before a G63 ever leaves the factory, it undergoes a relentless barrage of quality control checks. From microscopic inspections of paintwork to exhaustive electronic diagnostics and functional tests of every system, nothing is left to chance. This multi-stage vetting process ensures that only vehicles meeting the absolute highest standards reach their owners. It is an unyielding guardianship of the brand's reputation and the customer's trust. For us, fabricating our G63 life means implementing our own rigorous quality control. Are you regularly assessing your progress, refining your methods, and eliminating imperfections? This commitment to self-correction defines genuine excellence. Once assembled and thoroughly inspected, the G63 faces its ultimate proving ground, the test track. Here, skilled drivers push the vehicle to its absolute limits, assessing its dynamic performance, braking capabilities, handling in extreme conditions, and overall robustness. This rigorous testing isn't just about validation, it's about pushing boundaries, discovering potential weaknesses, and ensuring supreme confidence. It's a powerful metaphor for our own growth. To truly understand our capabilities and refine our skills, we must willingly step onto our own test tracks, embrace challenges, and learn from every experience. This is where resilience is forged and true mastery revealed. The journey from a designer's initial sketch to the formidable G63 rolling off the assembly line is an extraordinary act of translation. It's a vivid demonstration of how abstract vision can be manifested into a tangible, high-performance reality. The final product not only meets but often exceeds the initial audacious goals. This transformation challenges us. Are our initial visions clear enough? Are our execution strategies robust? The G63 stands as proof that with unwavering commitment, a grand vision can indeed become an even grander reality. It invites us to bridge the gap between imagination and manifest creation in our own lives. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is more than a vehicle, it's a testament to enduring legacy, a symbol of unwavering purpose and meticulous execution that has evolved for over 4 decades. Its sustained appeal lies not just in its power or luxury, but in its authentic narrative of fabrication, overcoming design challenges, and remaining true to its core identity while continually refining its performance. This legacy challenges us to consider our own contributions. What enduring impact are we fabricating with our daily choices and long-term aspirations? How can we build a legacy that speaks volumes about our commitment to excellence and purpose? Ultimately, the story of the G63's creation is a powerful parable for personal aspiration. It teaches us that true masterpieces are not born overnight but are the result of relentless dedication, meticulous planning, and an unshakable belief in the vision. Every challenge overcome, every detail perfected, contributes to the unparalleled final product. The G63 doesn't just exist, it embodies a creed that with enough resolve, you can fabricate anything. It calls us to be the architects of our own destiny, the engineers of our aspirations, and the craftsmen of our character. There are no shortcuts to creating something truly exceptional, and the rewards are immeasurable. The journey through the G63 factory reveals a profound truth: anything truly exceptional is fabricated with intention, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The machine and human elements merge to create something iconic, a testament to what is possible when vision meets relentless effort. Now, consider your own potential. What G63 fabric will you weave? What masterpiece will you fabricate? The tools of precision, perseverance, and passion are within your grasp. The world awaits your unique creation. Embrace the process, commit to excellence, and start building your own legend, one meticulous detail at a time. The power to create is yours.